Hello, welcome. This is Mao Shajaz once again, and today we'll be talking about Pyar Ke Sadke. प्यार के सदके is a TV show that stars Bilal Abbas, Yumna Zaidi, Umair Rana, Gule Rana, Atika Odo, Siraha Asghar, Sharmeen Ali वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. प्यार के सदके की almost 20 episodes हो चुकी हैं. So if you have not watched this play yet, I would suggest कि आप जाइए, ये play देखिए और वापस आइए. जो ये play इस वक्त कैच कर रहे हैं, जो ये play देखते आ रहे हैं, जो इस play के loyalists हैं, उनको मालूम होगा कि ये एक थोड़े से predictable track पे चल पड़ा है. और वो predictable track ये है कि वही हर लड़के को कहीं ना कहीं से दूसरी बीवी हमारे माशरे में ज़रूर मिल जाती है. I mean, okay, sure, consenting adults and everything, but considering the fact that we show Abdullah to be an inherently nice person, so somebody who is forsaking the loyalty of his wife, who he willfully married with his full and conscious consent, really doesn't sit well with me. Also interesting that he goes to the girl that he loved, but she got a divorce or is getting a divorce or something like that, but he's going back to that girl who constantly, sort of rejected him, didn't like him, treated him like really badly. So what does that say about Abdullah's character, except that he just needs affection and attention and acceptance, and he's craving for that. That's why he's going back to this toxic, silly girl who really didn't appreciate him in the first place. Then on the other hand, you've got his wife, Mahjabeen, played beautifully by Yumna Zaidi, because even though she's saying really typical stupid things like, oh my god, अगर हम husbands की खिदमत करेंगे तो वो हमेशा हमसे प्यार करेंगे वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, everybody knows that if somebody really loves you, they really don't need you to be like their दासी or whatever. And actually मियाँ बीवी का जो रिश्ता होता है या मैरिज का जो रिश्ता है, चाहे वो आप इस्लाम देख लें, चाहे वो आप मॉडर्निटी देख लें, इक्वालिटी की बेसिस पे होता है, और इक्वालिटी ही जो है वो लव का भी basis होना चाहिए. But Mahjabeen has clearly grown up on these very typical tropes that have been fed to her कि बेटा जो उसकी माँ का भी जो कैरेक्टर है और जो उसके बाप ने भी जिस तरह उसको पाला है, बढ़ाया है, और जिस माशरे से भी वो आती है और जिस सोशो इकोनॉमिक क्लास से भी वो आती है, वहाँ पे भी स्टैंडर्ड्स यही हैं लव के, रिस्पेक्ट के, कि जो औरत है उसका काम खिदमत करना होता है. तो वो अपने हिसाब से वो ठीक कर रही है और वो शी इज़ ट्राइंग हर लेवल बेस्ट. माई ओनली कंसर्न विद दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ बिहेवियर और with this sort of messaging is that it sort of tells people that, look, this is the way to really get the love of the people who you really want to be with. This is the way to be accepted as a wife. But the way Yumna plays it, you sort of know that, you know, this is a silly concept and this is a silly girl, so obviously she's going to believe that. Abdullah clearly has issues. Now, the issues that a lot of people have told me as well, and the ones that I've seen in his personality as well, are the issues that he was abused as a child and he really doesn't understand authority very well, and he just likes to blindly follow to get that acceptance. But it's still a very roughly created character. I wish that they had been more emphasis. I wish that they had been more understanding towards his character. It would have helped the audiences empathize or understand his motivations just a little bit better. One of my favorite things about Pyar Ke Sadke is Gule Rana and Umair Rana scenes, and it's a testament to the fact that how well and how beautifully these scenes are directed, because even though they are shot in the same room, within the same setup, with sometimes even the similar conversations going again and again, back and forth, there's really no movement in those conversations except for maybe once or twice, but still the characters and the delivery of those characters is done so beautifully that I'm riveted every time I watch those scenes. I really, really wish, however, that Pakistani TV shows would not get stuck in the same rote, and they would not get stuck in the same ideas that अगर शादी होगी थप्पड़ पड़ जाएगा, डोमेस्टिक अब्यूज़ डाल दो, रेप डाल दो, इस तरह की चीज़ें डाल दो अगर प्लॉट लाइन के अंदर, तो रेटिंग भी मिल जाएगी और लोग भी खुश हो जाएंगे और लोगों को कुछ मसाला देखने को मिल जाएगा. आई रियली विश कि हम लोग इससे थोड़ा बियॉन्ड जाएं, बिकॉज जिस तरह के कैरेक्टर्स क्रिएट किए गए हैं प्यार के सदके में, इनके पास बहुत स्कोप था बहुत कुछ करने का. बट खैर, एक ही बात कितनी दफ़ा पीटेंगे, और बार बार यही पीट पीट के हम भी तंग आ गए. आई एम श्योर देखने वाले सुनने वाले सब तंग आ चुके हैं. तो इसलिए जो मिल रहा है उसी को एंजॉय कर लेते हैं. प्यार के सदके की 20 एपिसोड्स हो चुकी हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट द रेस्ट ऑफ द एपिसोड्स हैव इन स्टोर फॉर अस. अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस डिस्पाइट द वीक कैरेक्टराइजेशंस बाय बिलाल अब्बास एंड ऑफ कोर्स Yumna Zaidi, who's really, really good and really, really endearing. I really wish Yashma Gill would drop that accent, and I think it's supposed to be annoying. Is that character supposed to be like this? I don't know. What do you guys think? On a side note, I've been watching Judai. No, I'm sorry, Dushman-e-Jaan. Dushman-e-Jaan stars Muhib Mirza, Tuba Siddiqui and Madiha Imam. Tuba Siddiqui and Madiha Imam play sisters who are very poor, and Muhib Mirza is the son of a very rich and a very crazy family. Yes, I know, the same cliches. But from the teasers and from the OSTs and from the promos, it seems like there's some sort of a thriller sort of a thing going on. Very reminiscent of Judai, but with a thriller angle. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, I kind of like the first 2 episodes a little bit. I'm still wondering what I feel about it. But it's sad because I really want to get hooked to a really good TV show. बट पाकिस्तानी टीवी चैनल्स पे इस वक्त कुछ ऐसा आ नहीं रहा है जिस पे आप हुक हो जाएं और हर हफ्ते उसको फॉलो करें और बड़े रिलीजियसली फॉलो करें. आई थिंक द लास्ट गुड bunch of TV shows I watched were, yes, Yaqeen Ka Safar और अंग्रेज़ा and खुदा मेरा भी है. And after that I think काफ़ी बीच में कुछ अच्छे आए, कुछ छूट गए. बागी was good, Cheekh was good, but then what happened after that? And you know, there were so many TV shows that disappointed so much, although they had a lot of potential. So if those things can get really under control of the showrunners, that would be great for us viewers. What else are you guys watching? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't leave stupid mean comments because I am going to delete them. Thank you for watching, and for those of you who are sending your kind regards and kind comments and sweet messages, thank you so much. Please keep watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.